You'll have love at first sight with the 2015 Toyota Highlander. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 100,000 miles on the odometer. This smooth-riding, solidly built Highlander is ready to meet your family's needs. With seating for up to 8, a spacious, quiet cabin, plenty of cargo space, and the latest safety and driver assistance technology. This reliable and efficient crossover will help you navigate every adventure with ease. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, all-wheel drive, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, power passenger seat, power liftgate, cooled front seat, satellite radio. You deserve a family vehicle that knows how to multitask. Take this versatile Highlander out for a spin and let our professional staff show you our commitment to outstanding customer service. We look forward to meeting you.